So I need to show you this hack. I was scrolling on TikTok and I came across this. This is for medical students. Watch this. First of all, you need to get your, where is it? Get your stethoscope, all right? This is a hack on how to learn murmurs, okay? Oftentimes you're practicing for OSCE, you don't have a friend or family member to practice on. This is how you learn murmurs, okay? Step number one, put the stethoscope in. Get your hand, put the stethoscope flat on your hand, close it up, all right? And how we're gonna learn murmurs is we're going to draw on our hand. This is how it works, okay? So, murmur number one, you draw across your hand like this. And you hear murmur number one. I'm going to put all the information up above for what type of murmurs this sounds like. Murmur number two, you draw a V on your hand like this. Crescendo, decrescendo. Again, I'm going to put it on top what these murmurs are. And murmur number three, draw a circle on your hand. Continuous machinery murmur. Hope you guys like this video. Hope you guys like this hack. Take care and peace. Follow for more.